Unlock your metabolic power with Mitolyn. Registered trademarks support healthy fat metabolism, supports balanced energy, and healthy metabolic function. In a study, participants reported feeling more energized after 12 weeks. The results vary depending on individual health conditions and lifestyle. For more information on the study methodology, please visit link to study. Do you feel like you could have more energy throughout the day? Are you looking for a supplement that truly makes a difference? Discover Mitolyn. By clicking, you acknowledge having read our advertising disclosure exclusive savings opportunity up to 80% off multi-packs promotion available while supplies last. Prices subject to change without notice. You struggling with constant fatigue? Even after a full night's sleep, you're still dragging? Stubborn weight? No matter how hard you diet or exercise, it won't budge? Emotional eating stress and anxiety trigger uncontrollable cravings? The science behind the transformation. If you're looking for a supplement that provides more energy, vitality, or support for overall well-being, you've probably heard of Mitolyn. With so many options available, it can be challenging to identify which ones truly deliver results. That's where this review comes in. Let's dive into Mitolyn: what it is, its benefits, ingredients, and real user feedback. Is it worth it? Find out now. Mitolyn's blend contains nutrients that help, may contribute to cellular energy processes, maintain healthy metabolic processes. These statements refer to general nutrient functions, not specific disease conditions. Lab analysis shows ingredients may support cellular energy pathways, increased mitochondrial activity. 2.3x important notice. The studies mentioned are provided by the product manufacturer. As an independent reviewer, I have not verified the raw clinical data. Manufacturer-cited research. Patented formula showed metabolic improvements in internal testing. 87% of participants reported satisfaction in taste profiles. Asterisk, per 2024 consumer survey commissioned by Mitolyn Labs. 3.1x. Faster fat burn lab analysis suggests ingredients may support metabolic function. View research. 89% energy boost. 6-week double-blind study. JAMA Internal Medicine. 2024 real Mitolyn users. Real life-changing results. Results may vary. These testimonials are from real customers, but their experiences are not typical. Individual results will vary depending on diet, exercise, and overall health. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is an innovative supplement designed to provide nutritional support to the body's cells. Its unique formula targets the mitochondria, the small powerhouses within the cells, playing a key role in energy production. By enhancing mitochondrial function, the product aims to support healthy energy levels and overall well-being. Furthermore, Mitolyn combines carefully selected natural ingredients to offer effective support for overall health, promoting vitality and balance. It is ideal for those looking to boost energy sustainably without artificial substances. Popular among fitness enthusiasts, it also helps with performance optimization or weight management. Made in USA. Mitolyn is proudly made in the United States. GMP, certified good manufacturing practice. GMP, certified to ensure pharmaceutical grade quality. 100% natural. We're proud to say that Mitolyn is 100% natural, non-GMO, and gluten-free. Manufactured in FDA-registered facility. Manufactured in an FDA-registered facility following GMP standards. Does it work? Mitolyn works by optimizing mitochondrial function, which is responsible for energy production within cells. By enhancing mitochondrial efficiency, the supplement helps increase energy availability, resulting in a sense of vitality. Additionally, Mitolyn's natural ingredients support overall health, promoting an ideal balance within the body. This leads to increased energy, mental focus, and well-being throughout the day, with benefits that accumulate over continuous use. Powerful ingredients. Mitolyn contains a unique blend of natural ingredients, carefully selected for their beneficial properties to the body. These ingredients primarily support the mitochondria, responsible for cellular energy production. The formula is balanced to support cellular function for overall vitality, promoting vitality and well-being. Key ingredients include L-Carnitine, which helps convert nutrients into energy, green tea extract, rich in antioxidants that support healthy metabolism, B vitamins, essential for energy production, and rhodiola rosea, which helps